Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
They say àgbà kì í wà lọ́jà kórí ọmọ tuntun wọ́. An elder cannot be in a marketplace and allow a child's head to hang awkwardly on its mother's back. But what happens when the elders forget their duty? In the town of Okela, the market day was sacred. Elders gathered not only to trade goods, but also to guide the young in wisdom. But one market day, something unusual happened. A young boy named Ade, about 10 years old, was sent by his widowed mother to sell palm oil. It was his first time alone in the marketplace. His basket was too heavy, his wrapper too loose, and he was clearly nervous. Elders saw him struggle, but they were too busy arguing about whose farm had the biggest yam harvest. Suddenly, Ade tripped. The god of palm oil smashed to the ground. Traders laughed, some even mocked him. Among the crowd was Baba Ojo, a respected elder who has quietly been observing. He rose from his stool, tapped his staff on the ground and called out, "Egbo, my people, the child's shame is the shame of the elders." Baba Ojo lifted Ade, tied his wrapper properly and paid for the spilled oil from his own pocket. He then addressed the market. "If the health of the child hangs low while we are present, then we are no better than a stranger." The market fell silent. One by one, traders nodded in agreement. From that day, elders made it a point to watch over every young trader in Okela. The proverb, "Àgbà kì í wà lọ́jà kórí ọmọ tuntun wọ́," became a guiding rule, reminding everyone that leadership is not about power but about responsibility. In Yoruba culture, an elder's greatness is not measured not by the wealth or title, but how they lift the next generation. So the next time you see someone struggling, remember, it might just be the elder in the marketplace they've been waiting for.
We have reached the end of this wonderful story. Now it's your turn. Share your thoughts in the comment below. If you enjoyed this piece of art, don't forget to like and share it to help our channel grow. See you in the next video. Bye for now.